Reagan, and I'm in beautiful Hawaii. Today I'm learning how to make butterflies out of clay. Caleb from Nana's Clay Flowers is going to be my teacher today. This place is filled with gorgeous creations all made out of clay. I think butterflies are one of the most beautiful creatures. How about you?
So now we're gonna get another color, just any color that you want. You can pick all your own colors that you want.
First, choose your colors, stack them, and flatten them.
So we can stack at least.
Blue, pink, and purple go great together. A mountain
Look at
of
your
colors.
stack of colors. So now we're gonna press that down a little bit more. Try to push them all down like this, like evenly. Make it a little bit more flat.
This?
Yeah, that's good. Good. Okay, so now try to pull it all off like that. So we're gonna cup it around like this.
Give them a little pinch for the tip of the wings so they look realistic.
Yes, that's good. Now pinch it a little bit more, like that. And then we're gonna roll this like that.
Cut 2 little pieces off the big wings. Those are your antennae.
And now we're gonna cut right down the middle, like this.
At the top?
Yes. So now we're just gonna cut 2 little smaller parts like this on the bottom. And so these are gonna be the smaller wings. And now we're gonna put we're gonna open the bottom wings like that. All right, and now we're gonna take our tool and you're gonna put it right down here in the middle and just press open like that.
Like a flower.
Yeah. You're gonna press kind of hard to make it a little bit wider. So press kind of, put a deep little press like that. Yeah.
3.
So it's gonna be like 1.
Like that?
2, 3. Okay, good job. So put 1 crease down each bottom wing and then also 1 on each side of each wing. So 1, 2. And then you can pinch the bottom wings like this a little bit.
Add another piece to make the body. Then add the wire.
Now the last step we're gonna do is we're gonna put another color in the middle for the bodies. And then we're gonna put a little wire down from the bottom, like that.
Halfway, right?
Yes, don't go all the way through your butterfly.
I'm going to put my flowers and my butterfly together to make a beautiful centerpiece. Thanks to Nana's Clay Flowers for teaching me how to make this beautiful creation.